Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add money to PayPal from bank account in Germany. So if you want to add money from PayPal to bank account in Germany, here's a simple workaround, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So the first thing to do is to open the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com and log in into your account. So on your home screen, tap or click wallet. Then from there, select hard money or hard fund. So choose hard money from your linked bank account, and if your bank isn't linked yet, select link a bank and follow the prompt to connect it first. Then enter the amount you want to add and confirm the details. Tap or click hard or submit. The transfer will start processing. So wait for 1 to 3 business days for money to appear in your PayPal balance, depends on your network. And make sure your name on PayPal matches your bank account name to avoid delay. And that's how you can easily add money to PayPal from bank account in Germany. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.